Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Yango cannot work right. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is simply head over to settings on your device through your quick settings. Once you're inside settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar and then simply search for the Yango app inside of your search bar. Tap on Yango, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache for the Yango app and try again. If the issue still persists, simply head over to Play Store on your device, search for the Yango app inside of your search bar. Once you find the Yango app, what you must do is make sure you update it to the latest version. Inside the Yango app, what you must do is make sure that the address that you have set is correct, and make sure that you have no VPNs turned on your device. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your app drawer, search for the Yango app, long press on it, uninstall it on your device, and reinstall it from the Play Store and try again. If the issue still persists, it may likely be a server issue, or you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.